Join me as I put the fastest 3D printer on the market to the test and see if it can really handle a mind-blowing 600 mm per second printing speed. The fastest 3D printer on the market is here, and it's claiming an insane 600 mm per second printing speed. For those who've been in the 3D printing game for a while, you know that speed is one of the biggest pain points. Being able to print at such high speeds could revolutionize the way we create prototypes and final products. Slow printing speeds have always been a frustration for 3D printing enthusiasts. You've spent hours designing the perfect model, and then you're stuck waiting for what feels like an eternity for it to print. It's not just about the wait, it's about the limitations it puts on your creativity and productivity. You can't iterate quickly, you can't test new ideas fast enough, and that really slows down innovation. And let's not forget about the long wait times for prototypes. It can take days, sometimes even weeks, to get a physical copy of your design. This doesn't just delay projects, it also limits how quickly you can refine and improve your designs. The technology behind this super speedy printer is quite impressive. It uses advanced mechanics, including high-speed extruders and motion systems that allow it to move rapidly while still maintaining accuracy. The materials used are also optimized for high-speed printing, ensuring that the quality doesn't suffer even at such fast speeds. What's really interesting is how it achieves such high speeds without compromising on the quality of the print. This involves sophisticated algorithms and precise control over the printing process. The printer also comes with smart features that help in monitoring and maintaining the printing process, making it more reliable. To truly appreciate the speed of this printer, let's compare it to traditional models. Imagine printing a complex prototype that would normally take 10 hours on a standard printer. This beast could potentially cut that time down to just 1 or 2 hours. That's a game changer for anyone who relies on 3D printing for their work or hobby. The efficiency it brings is unmatched, and the quality of the prints is still top-notch. When you look at more detailed comparisons, the difference is stark. A standard printer might take 20 hours to print a highly detailed model, while this one could do it in 3 hours. That's not just faster, that's a completely different league. The side-by-side comparisons really drive home just how much of a difference this printer can make. In summary, the fastest 3D printer on the market is not just about speed, it's about transforming the way we work and create. With its impressive 600 mm per second printing speed, advanced technology, and high-quality prints, it stands out as a game-changer in the 3D printing world. I'd love to hear your thoughts on 3D printing speeds and what you've experienced. Have you ever been frustrated with how long it takes to print something? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you're interested in more insights on 3D printing and the latest tech, check out another one of my videos where we dive deep into what's next for the industry. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer, 600 mm per second max high-speed 3D printers with auto-leveling, dual cooling, smart AI function and out-of-the-box, large printing size 11.81 by 11.81 by 11. 81 inches. Brand Creality. Material aluminum. Product dimension 16.1 x 15.4 inches wide by 18.7 inches high. Compatible devices personal computer. Operating system Windows. 600mm/S high-speed printing. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is designed for efficiency, boasting a maximum speed of 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s squared acceleration, which is 12 times faster than a regular FDM 3D printer. Perfect for professionals and beginners. 11.81 by 11.81 by 11. 81 inches large printing size. The K1 Max boasts an impressive printing size of 300 x 300 x 300 mm, allowing for multiple models to be printed simultaneously, significantly increasing printing efficiency. Additionally, its print volume to printer size ratio can reach up to 25.5%, the biggest compared with similar-sized printers. Smart AI LiDAR and camera. The 1 micrometer resolution LiDAR will scan the first layer on its own. It will pause printing and tell you immediately if something goes wrong. And K1 Max uses an AI camera to watch over spaghetti failure, foreign objects, debris, etc. It will alter you when an error occurs. It also supports real-time monitoring and creates time-lapses for sharing. Furthermore, the strain sensors in the heat bed generate an accurate leveling mesh for auto-compensation. 32 cubic millimeters per second FL/hour and dual cooling. A new ceramic heater encircling the hot end can melt various filaments instantly. The dual gear direct drive extruder and titanium alloy heartbreak ensure 32 cubic millimeters per second full blast feeding flow and up to 300 C. The freshly printed model is cooled rapidly by two fans, one on the print head with directional air ducts, and another in the build chamber. The model hardens before any stringing and warping could happen. After-sales service. There are more than 20 engineers for after-sales service and provide 24/7 customer service with one Veer Limited and technical assistance. Please contact us via Ask a Question directly to get professional assistance. Note, if you have a problem with nozzle clogging, please check the following or contact us directly for help. A. Use official slicing software for better results. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is a high-speed, professional-grade 3D printing solution designed for maximum efficiency and ease of use. With an impressive maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s² acceleration, it's up to 12 times faster than standard FDM printers, making it ideal for both professionals and beginners. Featuring a large build volume of 11.81 by 11.81 by 11.81 inches, it allows users to print multiple models simultaneously, significantly improving productivity. Its smart AI LiDAR and camera system scans the first layer with 1 micrometer precision, detects issues in real time, and monitors for printing failures like spaghetti, debris, or foreign objects. The dual-gear direct drive extruder, combined with the ceramic hot end heater and dual cooling system, ensures consistent filament flow up to 32 cubic millimeters per second at temperatures reaching 300 C, while preventing stringing and warping. With auto-leveling, out-of-the-box setup, Windows compatibility, and robust after-sales support including 24/7 service and a 1-year warranty, the K1 Max offers a powerful and intelligent 3D printing experience.